Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Durgapur location. It is from West Bengal. I am going to mention all the links in the description box to apply for this job roles mentioned in this video. Interested candidates, if you are suitable for these positions, you can directly apply from there. Without any delay, let's get into the video. Firstly, there is a job opening for the application specialist. It is from EWEC Alloys Limited. If you see the job responsibilities like meeting end user targets, understanding their welding related applications and repair and maintenance problems, and recommend solutions involving EWAC products and process, and demonstrate EWAC products and process, guide customers to execute the job or supervise the job, documenting the job or process in the system, and conduct seminars, and give sales projections and material plan. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through the details mentioned here, and you can directly apply from the link given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the Assistant Manager Debt Management Services. It is from Bajaj Finserv. And if you see the job duties and key responsibilities for this position, like to achieve debt management services targets of the respective branch assigned, ensuring meetings PA targets, meeting the target on cost of debt management services, ensuring meeting PA targets within cost limit specified on monthly basis, and ensuring legal guidelines are compiled for entire debt management services structure in letter and spirits, and ensure that the debt management services agencies and in-house collectors adhere to the legal guidelines provided by the law enforcement, and ensure adherence to the code of conduct, and continuously monitoring debt management services agencies and in-house collectors to identify fraudulent practices and ensure that no loss is incurred due to such activities. These are some duties and responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the delivery manager. It is from Color Bracket Technologies. For this job position, you should have 3 years plus experience in project management and delivery. And coming to skill sets required, like overseas client handling, requirement study, functionality, SRS, DFT and other document preparation knowledge, team building capability, experience of Scrum or Agile methodology tools, and client demo and presentation skills. These are some skills required for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the Diploma Mechanical. It is from SRMB Steel. For this job position, the salary will be 12k in hand and it will be 9 hours, and fresher candidates also can apply for this position. For more detailed information and to apply for this position, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for the call center executive. It is from Technics Technosoft Private Limited. For this job position, you should have 1 year of experience, or else freshers also can apply for this position. And the education will be 12th or UG or graduation in any specialization. And it will be night shift job position, like it will be from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. and the salary package will be 96,000 to 1,44,000 lakhs per annum. Interested candidates can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the web developer. It is from Nargix. For this position, the requirements will include all these ones, like you should have proven working experience in web programming, top-notch programming skills and in-depth knowledge of modern HTML or CSS, and you should have familiarity with at least one of the following programming languages like C++, PHP, JavaScript, Python, React.js, and Node.js. And you should have a solid understanding of how web applications work, including security, session management, and best development practices. And some more requirements also mentioned here. You please check once. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this position, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for the iOS developer. It is from Collar Bracket Technologies. For this position, freshers and experienced candidates also can apply. And if you see the skill sets required, like native iOS development using Swift or Objective-C, and you should have knowledge of PhoneGap or Xamarin or Ionic should be awesome. These are some skills required for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the iOS developer. It is from iGlobal Impact ITS Private Limited. For this position, the requirements will include all these ones. Like you should have minimum 1 year of working experience, and you can work on live projects of international clients, and you can handle multiple projects, and error-free coding, required experience, skills, and qualifications. Objective-C or increasingly the Swift 3.0 programming language, and you should have skills in Apple's Xcode IDE. These are some requirements for this job position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the data architect and data modular. It is from TechNext Technosoft Private Limited. For this position, the qualifications like you should have bachelor's degree from a reputed institution, and you should have at least 5 years of experience in managing a BPO back office operations, and you should be expertise and hands-on experience in back office operations and leading a team of 30 plus BPO agents, and you should have good reasoning and risk identification skills, leadership quality and organization awareness, and some more qualifications are also mentioned here. Please check once. Interested candidates, you can please check in the description box for the link. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening for the hybrid mobile app developer. It is from Color Bracket Technologies. For this position, freshers and experienced candidates both can apply. And if you see the skill sets required, like you should have excellent knowledge in hybrid mobile app and web application development, and you should have experience of Ionic or React or PhoneGap or any other mobile frameworks is a must. These are some skills required for the candidates. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this position, the link is given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.